Google has launched its latest search algorithm called BERT, which is designed to better understand our natural language. It is expected that BERT will impact at least 10% of all search queries, which is the biggest change since the introduction of RankBrain. What is BERT? BERT is Google's new neural network-based technique for natural language processing. It stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. Essentially, BERT teaches computers to understand our language to help understand how humans speak naturally. When is BERT used? This new tool will help search engines to better understand the nuances of our language and to ensure that the results given are relevant for the user. Featured snippets. BERT will also affect featured snippets and is being used globally with all languages on this tool. Does this replace RankBrain? The short answer is no. RankBrain was the first artificial intelligence method that Google launched in 2015. BERT will supplement this as an extra way to understand content and search queries. Can BERT be optimized? No, it does not look likely. SEOs cannot really optimize for RankBrain or BERT, but it does mean that Google search is improving its understanding of the natural language. Website owners should continue to write content for users that will be engaging and informative. Hope you like this video. Thank you for your time and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.